Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica and today we are back with another DIY. So Diwali is around the corner. In fact, it starts from today, but we have the main Diwali on 14th and we are going to do a DIY for this. We're going to learn how to make cute little diyas at home. Alright, so watch the video till the end to watch an amazing, adorable scene. So to start with, these diyas are made very simply at home. All you need is some wheat flour, or you can use maida if you want. We've used food coloring in them, in fact, so that, if anything excess is remaining, we can make some nice puris or chapatis out of it and have colored rotis. Fun fact, your kids love colored stuff to eat, so they are going to enjoy it. So we've used food coloring and we just mix the atta with some food coloring and water and we make a very stiff dough like that. Use a little bit of oil to cover on top of it and give it a nice knead. And then I'll show you one how to make it. You make a little small ball out of it. Flatten it out. If you're used to making chapatis at home, then you'll be good at this, like really good at it. All you got to do is flatten it out. I'll show you one of each. So first I'm going to show you how to make one like this. Okay, this is pretty simple. Once you get this shape, the quiet shape, then you just go ahead and pinch it. Let me show you. So I'm going to take another corner and I'm going to pinch it. You pinch and make these. So I have not baked them, not at all, because we recently threw away our oven and we've not gone and purchased another one, and you don't really need to bake them because when you keep them like this for hardly 5 minutes, they become nice and stiff, and there you go. This is the first one. It's a little teda, but by the time you keep it, they'll be set. I'll show you one more to make a simple lamp. We're going to make that with the green one because I have a lot of green atta left. So Augustine actually fell asleep making them. For the kids, they love it. They absolutely love this because it's fun, right? It's like Play-Doh for them, and he actually threw the food coloring all over the house and it was a massive disaster. So once you get this shape, you pull it and you set it as the shape of a diya. Okay, and then you just shape the outsides to make it. So these are just fun activities. You don't really need to be too talented with these. If you have some decorations, you can stick them around the corner and you've got a cute little diya. Just a little teda from here, but yeah. If you want to paint them, you can paint them separately. If you want to put some nice cute bindis on them to decorate them, you can do that. So this is cost effective, it's nice, and whatever's remaining is going to become nice chapatis and puris for us. So we've got our diyas ready for today, and we are going to pour some oil in it, and we are going to make our batis. What do you call those? The inner cotton things. We're going to make it with cotton fresh. So I will show you the end result when we will be placing them. For now, you can have a look at Augie. So poor thing, that's his condition. He's fallen asleep, dead exhausted after playing with the Play-Doh. So this is what happens, but your kids definitely have a lovely time doing this. It's a fun activity with family. It is tiring, it can be messy, but it's fun.
August, say happy Diwali. Now
we'll come and we put the lamp.
What is that? Say it like this. August, say. Here, you take this. Grandma do that for you.
Now get that again, Grandma, let her put it in the diya.
For her, Grandpa will say more.
I should have done beforehand. So I have to go out and keep it.
No, spicy don't eat, baby.
Say happy Diwali!
Spicy one don't eat, Ogu.
I really hope you liked our video. A small initiative of making DIY diyas at home. We had a great time doing this and we spent a lot of time with our family. Come here, baby. Augustine's running around playing with his grandmother. So this was a fun experiment and experience for us. I hope you try it and let me know in the comment section how you did it and how you enjoyed, what colors you used. If there's anything else, any other design you made, so I can try it next year. Also, if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family too.